this is Harsha. I am welcoming all of you in Academic Knowledge Institute. So now we are looking the chapter that is organic chemistry. This is the chapter number 8 in 10th standard ICSE. So let's see this chapter. Today in this chapter we are seeing the topic that is the structure of organic compounds. Till today we are seeing the homologous series, then the types of alkane, saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. So today we are going to see that is structure of organic compounds. In the structure of organic compounds, there are two types of formula. One is molecular formula and second one is structural formula. What is molecular formula? The molecular formula is a formula. It just represents how many atoms of each atom is present. Like if I suppose if I took this, what is this? This is ethane. Okay. So how I'll represent the molecular formula here? The molecular formula just represents how many atoms of each compound is present. Yeah, we can say how many atoms of each atom is present. Like how many carbons are there? There are 2 carbons. So that means 2 carbons and 6 hydrogens. So this is simply the molecular formula. What is structural formula? Structural formula shows the how this compound is drawn, yeah, how this compound is attached with each other, like how these 2 atoms are attached with each other. So this is the structural formula. Ready? Okay. What is the structural formula? Structural formula is just in a simple way. It shows the arrangement of compound. Okay. This is like there are the 2 carbons are there and how they attach with the hydrogen it shows here. So this is known as structural formula. Here they are just showing how many carbon molecules are there, how many hydrogen molecules are there, but they are not showing here how they attached. And in structural formula they shows here how they attach. So this is the difference between the molecular formula and structural formula. In structural formula there are the 2 types, that is condensed and branched. We will see that also. Now we will see how the molecular formula and how the structural formula we are representing. The first we will go with the alkane. The first alkane, that is methane. The molecular formula of that CH4. Then the structural formula is represented like this way. Then ethane, the molecular formula of that is C2H6. As I told you in the structural formula there are the 2 types, that is condensed and branch. So condensed is represented like CH3 and branch is represented like this. So as the same way you can do with the propane and butane. Like the propane formula is C3H8 and butane is C4H10, and then pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nanoane, decane, you can do all. Now we will see the structure of organic compounds of alkenes, their molecular formula and their structural formula. First alkene, that is ethene. The formula of that, molecular formula of that is C2H4. And how we will represent the structural formula? In the first way we will represent like this, CH2 and there is a double bond between carbon. This is known as condensed form, and this is the branch form. You can see this. See, this is carbon. How many bonds are there? So you can see this. This is the carbon double bond. This is sigma bond and this is pi bond. This is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen. So this form is known as branch form. Then here this is the propane. What is the formula of propane? That is C3H6. How this formula is made? In last lecture I told you that the general molecular formula. What is general molecular formula of alkane and all that? The general molecular formula of alkene is CnH2n. So here is a 3 carbon. So the 3 will be we will put this 3 into n, then 2n, that is 6. So C3H6. This is the condensed form. Here we will took this double bond here. You can take this double bond here also, but you cannot take on both this side. You can just take on one side only. I consider this as this is the form, and then you will represent this form in a branch form like this one. Now we will see the alkyne, molecular formula and structural formula of alkyne. The first alkyne, that is ethyne. The molecular formula of that is C2H2, and you will represent this as this form like CH triple bond CH. This is the condensed form. Then next is propane. Propane, the molecular formula of that is this C3H4. then we will represent like this way. This is the CH3 C triple bond CH. This is the condensed form. Here also same way, you can take these 3 bonds here or you can take it here, but you cannot take on both the side. Then we will represent this in a branch form. So you will represent this same formula in a branch form like this way. Now we will see the alkyl group. Alkyl group is between the alkane and alkene. Like when in a alkane we are writing the methane, that methane is CH4, in alkyl the methyl is CH3. And I draw here this R. This R is any functional group. In this like on the place of R we can attach halides, we can attach alcohol, we can attach some other compounds. So this is just the R. So we can say the parent alkane is methane, and then this is formed with this. So this is known as, suppose I did the reactions and then here this is the iodide, so it becomes the methyl iodide. So we will represent this this form. This is known as condensed form, and this is the condensed form of methyl. Then we will go with the ethyl. Ethyl, that is the ethane this is C2H6, and in ethyl that is C2H5, and this R. As I told you, R can be any halides or any other functional group. Then here we will write this this ethyl in this way, okay, and on the place of R you will write any halides or any other functional group. In organic chemistry there are some functional groups. We will see that all these functional groups. The first group, that is alkene. In alkene I draw the first alkene, that is methane. The formula of that is CH4. Then alkene is CH3, and this R can be any functional group. Then this is alkene. Here the carbon is attached with a double bond, and here the two are the other hydrogens. Then alkyne, here the carbon is attached with a triple bond, and here the two more hydrogens will be there. Then the alcohol is there. This R here, this R is representing alkyl group, this CH3, and then OH. At the same time we know the alcohol as a hydroxyl group also. So this is methyl alcohol, this is ethyl alcohol. Then this is alkyl halide. Alkyl halide means this alkyl family and then halide, any of the halide like chlorine, bromine, iodide, fluorine and all that. So this is methyl chloride, this is ethyl bromide. Then here this is the aldehyde group. This is the functional group of aldehyde. This R is represented the alkyl group, R C double bond OH. So this is the functional group of aldehyde, and this is the first aldehyde, that is known as formaldehyde. This is hydrogen is here, then carbon is here, double bond O, and hydrogen is here. Then carboxylic acid. Here this R again represented the alkyl group. This is CH3 C double bond OH. Okay. Here this OH is alcohol. We know this OH as a hydroxyl group, but here when it comes like C double bond OH, this is carboxylic acid functional group. This is acetic acid. Acetic acid we use for the preservative purpose. Then this is ketone. Here these both are represented the alkyl group. I put this R as a R1 and this R as a R2. They both can be same, they both can be different. So this alkyl, then carbon, the carbon will attach with a double bond oxygen, then again the alkyl group. This is known as acetone, and these are two more groups. This is the ether. Ether is represented as this R1 and R2 will be any alkyl group, and then this oxygen is there. This is dimethyl ether, and then this is ester. This R1 and R2 is again alkyl families, and this carbon is attached here with a double bond with oxygen and the single bond with again the oxygen. This is known as methyl acetate. Okay. Okay. So this is the family of ester. We have seen alkane, alkene, alkene, alkyne, alcohol, alkyl halide, aldehyde, ketone, ether, ester. आई होप आपको आज का लेक्चर बहुत पसंद आया होगा. ये लेक्चर कैसा लगा ये मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख के ज़रूर बताइए. तब तक खुश रहिए, हंसते रहिए और एकेडमिक नॉलेज इंस्टीट्यूट को देखते रहिए. थैंक यू सो मच.